never let him go as far as doing it. So. I think if he did it one time, it would scare him to death and he'd never do it again.
He's still wiggling.
You're doing so good.
What does he sometimes stops by
Because he
himself
wants to.
without saying whoa?
Because he wants to. Sometimes he just does what he wants to do. Don't you sometimes just do what you want to do?
Instead
But
of
if
what
Daddy tells you to do
Daddy.
something different, you do what Daddy says, don't you?
Not always. I wish.
When Daddy tells you to do something, you're supposed to do what Daddy says, right? Is that right?
Is that right, Annie?
You're supposed to do what your daddy tells you?
He wanted to stop by himself.
I thought I saw you stop him that time. Did I not?
Didn't you
Look
pull?
the other way. Look the other way.
Yeah.
Pull way out to the side. Pull your hands way out to the side. There you go. Pull.